Hi student, welcome to the GK Smart Circle YouTube channel. So friends, 2020 most important dates and themes. All competitive exams for PC, PSI, KS, IS, any competitive exams, bank. So friends, I tell that June, July, August, September. So first September, August, July, June. I one by one tell that video. So friends, don't miss and don't skip that video. So let's start the video. So friends, September question, September 1 2021 National Nutrition Week begins. So theme feeding smart right from start. September 2 2021 World Coconut Day. So theme building a safe, inclusive, resilient and sustainable coconut community amid COVID-19 pandemic and behind. So September 3 2021 Skyscrapers Day. September 5 2021 International Day of Charity. September 5 2021 Teachers Day in India. So Teachers Day theme, teachers at the heart of education recovery. September 7 2021 Brazilian Independence Day. So September 8 2021 International Literacy Day. So International Literacy Day theme, literacy for a human centered recovery, narrowing the digital divide. So September 8 2021 World Physical Therapy Day. So theme on rehabilitation, long term COVID and the significant contribution of physiotherapist the treating coronavirus patients. So September 21 World Physical Therapy Day theme. Okay, next September 10 2021 World Suicide Prevention Day, WSPD. So September 11 2021 National Forest Martyrs Day. So September 14 2021 World First Aid Day. September 14 2021 Hindi Divas. So September 15 2021 Engineers Day. So India. So Engineers Day Sir M. Vishwesharaya Janana and 1861 September 15. So death 1962 April 14. So Bharn ಕೋಲಾರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮುದ್ದೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್. So 116th 2021 here. So ಬ್ರಿಟನ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ 5ನೇ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಸರ್ ಗೌರವ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ Reconstructing India, Planning Economy for India, Unemployment of India, Memories of My Working Life. So Engineers Day theme, Engineering for a Healthy Planet. So September 15 2021 International Day of Democracy. So theme, Strengthening Democratic Resilient in the face of future crisis. September 16 2021 Malaysia Day, Malaysia Prohibition 2021 theme. So September 16 2021 World Ozone Day. So World Ozone Day theme, Montreal Protocol, keeping us our food and our vaccination cool. So September 17 2021 World Patient Safety Day. September 18 2021 World Bamboo Day. September 18 2021 International Red Panda Day, third Saturday. Okay, next September 19 2021 International Talk Line a Parrot Day. September 21 2021 International Day of Peace. So International Day of Peace theme, Recovering Better for an Equitable and Sustainable World. September 21 2021 World Alzheimer's Day. So next September 22 Rose Day, so welfare of cancer patients. Mind it, students. So September 22, World Rhino Day. September 23, International Day of Sign Language. So theme, we sign for human rights. September 24, World Maritime Day. So theme, seafarers at the core of shipping's future. September 25, World Parasite Day. Pharmacist Day. Okay, September 25, Antyodaya Divas. September 26, World Contraception Day. September 26, European Day of Language. September 26, World Environmental Healthy Day. So, theme, prioritizing environmental health for healthier communities in the global recovery. September 26, World Rivers Day, fourth Sunday. So, theme, waterways in our communities. September 27, World Tourism Day. So, theme, tourism for inclusive growth. September 28, World Rabies Day. So, theme, rabies facts, not fear. September 29, 2021, World Heart Day. Use heart to beat COVID theme. Okay. So, September 30, 2021, International Translation Day. Theme, United in Translation. So, August important dates and themes. 6 August, Hiroshima Day. 8 August, Quit India Movement Day. 9 August, Nagasaki Day and International Day of the World Indigenous People. So 12 August, International Youth Day. So International Youth Day theme, transforming food systems, youth innovation for human and planetary health. 12 August theme date, Janmashtami and International Youth Day. Okay, next, 12 August, World Elephant Day. 4th August, Independence Day of Pakistan. 5th August, Independence Day of India. 15 August, Independence Day. So theme, national first, always first. Nation first, always first. Okay. 20 August, Sadbhavana Divas. 26 August, Women's Equality Day. 29 August, National Sports Day. So July most important days and themes. 1 July, GST Day. 11th July, World Population Day. The theme, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic of fertility. So 26th July, Kargil Vijay Divas. So theme, to honor the soldiers martyred in the Kargil War. 28th July, World Hepatitis Day. Hepatitis Day theme, hepatitis can't wait. 29 July, International Tiger Day. So theme, their survival in our hands. So June month's important dates and themes. June 1st, World Milk Day. Theme, one, sustainability in the dairy sector. 5th June, World Environmental Day. Theme, reimagine, recreate, restore. 7th June, World Food Security Day. Save food today for a healthy tomorrow. 12th June, World Day Against Child Labor Act now. So theme, end child labor. 14th June, World Blood Donation Day. Theme, Give blood and keep the world beating. 20 June, World Refuse Day. Theme: Together we heal, learn, and shine. 21 June, International Yoga Day. Theme: Yoga for Wellness. 23 June, International Olympic Day. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay active will with Olympic Day. So 29 June, National Statistics Day. Theme: End hunger, achieve food security and important nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. So thank you so much for watching my video, friends.